Hello, hello. Good morning. Once again, this is breakfast. Breakfast time. This is my breakfast food. Red rice and chicken, and also I have cooked Chinese pizza and sweet dates and fresh orange, sweet orange and hot drink. That's my breakfast foods, guys. But ignore my foods. It's up to you. What is your breakfast foods? Okay, let's it. First, little bit hot. Talagang napakainit. Hindi basta-basta higupin kahit kukunti. Mainit talaga. Kaya ginaganito ko para madaling matanggal yung init niya. Yan. Pinapaikot-ikot ko. Yan. Pwede na. Wow! Talagang maginhawaan itong katawan basta uminom ka ng mainit-init. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Yan ang obserbasyon ko. Wow na wow. First press, kunti lang naman. Tignan nyo, kukunti yan, kukunti. Kunti lang. Hindi masyadong marami kasi hindi maganda rin kung maraming press na kahit anong klase ng prutas, hindi maganda sa aking obserbasyon. Kaya kunti lang yan. Pang ano ko lang yan. Parang, excuse for those who eating right now. Parang panlinis ko lang. Yan. Parang ito. Hmm? Talagang matamis. Sweet orange talaga. Hmm?